Good morning, student. Now the same chapter in integration. Now the last class I have discussed definite integration 7.9 and 7.10. But today now is exercise 7.8 is the name of topic as the limit of sum. Student, now this topic, this exercise, only one question in board exam. But जब भी बोर्ड एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन आता है 6 मार्क्स में, and this exercise is not related to other exercise. For example, integration of x square plus 1, and now limit is given 1 to 3, and now evaluate. Exam में clear लिखा हुआ है evaluate, but now in bracket as the limit of sum. As the limit of sum, that means this process. Exercise 7.8. First thing, what is the as the limit of sum? Right? The as the limit of sum is a different name, different method name is a summation method, first principle. Derivatives में भी हमने first principle पढ़ा था 11th class में. But today, now the first principle of integration, that is as the limit of sum. Right? What is the as the limit of sum? That is the formula of as the limit of sum using limit h tends to 0 as the limit of a sum. What is the formula of as the limit of sum? Now limit h tends to 0 h into f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h and so on is the last term f of a plus n minus 1 into h. This is the formula of as the limit of sum. But as the limit of sum now is starting first thing where a is the lower limit, b is upper limit, and first thing now find a, b and nh, and what is nh? B minus c. That means b is 3 and a is 1, so nh is 2. And now starting this question, what is the integration of x square plus 1? Let x square plus 1 is f of x. First thing f of x, suppose. Now second thing, first thing is the value of f of a. Now replace x to a, that is f of a. What is the value of f of a? E square plus 1. Now replace x to a plus h, that is the second value, f of a plus h. Then is the a plus h whole square plus 1. What is the value of f of a plus 2h? Now replace 2x, f of a plus 2h, that is a plus 2h whole square plus 1. And so on is the last term of this formula, f of a plus n minus 1 into h, that is a plus n minus 1 into h whole square plus 1, and all values substitute in this formula. Now the starting is a is find a, find b, a is the lower limit, b is the upper limit, and find nh. This is the formula of nh, b minus c, upper limit minus lower limit. So now look here, all values substitute in this formula, limit s tends to 0 as it is, h as it is. What is the value of f of a? A square plus 1. Right? What is the value of f of a plus h? Is given a plus h whole square, a plus h whole square plus 1. What is the value of f of a plus 2h? Then a plus 2h whole square plus 1. And so on is the last value. What is f of a plus n minus 1 into h? That is a plus n minus 1 into h whole square plus 1. Right, student? And now, what is the a plus h whole square? Now I expand a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Right? जितने भी आपको होल स्क्वायर दिख रहे हैं उसको एक्सपेंड कर दीजिए a plus b whole square से. So now the next step, then a square plus 1 as it is. Then now a plus h whole square, a square plus 2ah plus h square plus 1 as it is. Now again a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 4ah plus 4h square plus 1 as it is, and now so on. This is the last term. Then a square plus 2a n minus 1 into h plus n minus 1 square into h square and plus 1. And now look here student, the next two steps are very important. This question, this method are very easy, but last two steps are very important, right? And last two steps, that is the first step. Now make a series. आपको सीरीज बनाना है और सीरीज कैसे बनाते हैं? Now look here, limit s tends to 0, h as it is. First thing is what is the value of f of a square plus 1. That means a square plus 1, there are two terms. That means two series. First series, a square plus a square plus a square plus a square. Every term a square, so a square is common. Now series is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, that is n times. Is the first series. Now the second series, second term is 1 plus term. Every function this term is given. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times. This is the second series. F of a में there are two terms, that is two series. But f of a plus h, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. But आपने इससे सीरीज बना दी, left two terms. आपको f of a और f of a plus h की वैल्यू देखनी है, right? There are left two terms, then 2ah, 4ah, 6ah, 2an minus 1 into h. So now the next series 2ah is common, then left 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on is the last term, n minus 1, and that is h square, 4h square, 9h square and n minus 1 ka square h square. Now h square is common, left square of 1, square of 2, square of 3 and so on is the square of n minus 1. Any doubt student? So this step is a very important. Then make a series, and this step is a very important. And now the next step, last two steps are very important, and next step is again important. A square as it is. What is the meaning of 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times? That is 1n. 2 plus 2 plus 2 n times, that is 2n. 3 plus 3 plus 3 n times, that is 3n. और एक चीज अगर मल्टीप्लाई में 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 n times, that is 3 raised to power n. So what is 1 plus 1 into n times? That is a 1n. And now write is n. Is again 1 n times, that is 1n. But 2ah as it is. And now this formula in 11th class, sequence and series is the last exercise. 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on is the n. What is the meaning? That is summation of n. What is the formula of summation of n? N plus 1 upon 2. What is the formula of summation of n square? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. What is the formula of summation n cube? That is n minus 1 upon 2 is a whole square. So now this is, last term is n minus 1. So what is the summation of this? That is n minus 1 upon 2. Plus 1 की जगह minus 1. Same this formula, square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of n, that is n minus 1 and 2n minus 1 upon 6. This is the formula of summation of n square. Now look here, this is the second last step, and now to cancel. But now the h is multiplied by first term, that is a square nh, plus h is again multiplied by, this is nh, then h is a multiply h square, but one is this factor, other is this, so that is a as it is, this is nh, but h is a multiply, that is a nh minus h, and then h is a multiply by h square, h cube, so all factors, then nh nh minus h and 2nh minus h upon 6. And now substitute the value of A. What is A is 1. What is NH is 2. Then A is 1, NH is 2. NH is 2. A is 1, NH is 2, NH is 2, but is only H, then where S tends to 0, plus NH is 2, NH is 2, H is 0, NH is 2, that is 4, minus H is 0 upon 6. Then 2 3s are. So the finally answer is 2 1s are 2 plus 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 4 2s are 8 by 3. That is 8 plus 8 by 3. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 8 32 upon 3. This is answer. So student, this is 6 marks question as the limit of sum. This is exercise 7.8. is a very important board exam is 6 marks का question. आपके 101% आएगा. Only 3 formulas. One is summation of n square, summation of n cube and summation of n. Thank you.